Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy chicken quesadillas. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 8 small tortillas, and 2 cups of your preferred shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack or a Mexican blend. Also, finely dice 1/2 of an onion and 1 bell pepper. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and quicker. Now let's get that delicious filling cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they become tender and slightly translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in your cooked chicken and a generous pinch of your favorite seasonings, like cumin, chili powder, and garlic powder. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes to combine the flavors. It's time to assemble and cook these tasty quesadillas. Lightly oil a clean skillet and place 1 tortilla in it over medium heat. Sprinkle a layer of cheese on 1/2 of the tortilla, then add a spoonful of your chicken and vegetable mixture. Top with a bit more cheese. Fold the other half of the tortilla over and cook until both sides are golden brown and the cheese is melted, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Repeat for remaining quesadillas. Your easy chicken quesadillas are now ready to enjoy. Carefully remove them from the skillet and cut each one into 2 or 3 wedges. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings, such as fresh salsa, cool sour cream, or creamy guacamole. They are perfect for a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner. For an even easier life, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after cooking up a storm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.